For anyone struggling with dry, damaged hair, this coconut oil and yogurt hair mask is the ultimate solution. It hydrates, repairs, and adds natural shine. Start by mixing 2 tablespoons of yogurt into the mask. It nourishes and balances moisture. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey, which draws moisture into the hair and locks it in. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to repair damage and give that healthy shine. Mix everything together until you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Once the mask is ready, apply it to damp hair, making sure to cover it from root to tip. Then cover your hair with a cap and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water, then shampoo and condition. This mask leaves hair soft, hydrated, and smooth while strengthening strands and adding a healthy shine, perfect for reviving dry, damaged hair. For best results, here are a few tips. Trim regularly to avoid split ends and maintain healthy-looking hair. Use a sulfate-free shampoo to lock in moisture and preserve the hydration. Limit heat styling to avoid further damage and keep hair strong. To enhance your hair care routine, try 11 Australia Hydrate Shampoo, a gentle sulfate-free formula that cleanses without stripping moisture, leaving hair soft and hydrated. After shampooing, use Moroccanoil treatment infused with argan oil to boost shine, reduce frizz, and deeply nourish dry hair. For extra moisture, Sheamoisture, Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner, strengthens strands, helps with detangling, and restores elasticity, making hair more manageable and healthy. This easy DIY mask paired with a good routine will leave your hair looking healthier, shinier, and more manageable than ever. Ready to upgrade your routine? Shop now. Links are in the description.